Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and we have a stunning new color to show you guys today. It is the Amethyst Performance Series. It is kind of blue, it's kind of purple, it's a metallic finish, and because it's Performance Series, it's going to be super easy to use. We're going to save a bunch of time, we're going to save a bunch of money. I can't wait to show you guys the color. Let's jump right into the project. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, the car is complete, and as you can probably tell by the spraying clips, again, the coverage on this color, being a Performance Series, was outstanding. Almost full coverage after the first coat, and again, you always want to apply all of the gallons you have in the kit, but the better the coverage, the easier the color is to spray. Now I will say one thing about this color, it is probably the most saturated color in person that we have. The color just pops, it is super bold. If you want to do your vehicle in Amethyst Performance Series, it's super simple. Just click right up here. It'll bring you to the Amethyst Car Kits, which include the gallons, the accessories, the sprayer, if you need one, everything you need in that kit. But if you have any questions at all, email us, CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Call in and speak to one of our reps or chat with us directly on the website. It's Fonzie. Let's take the car outside so you can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this color. I'll see you in the next video.